Hey guys, welcome back, or if you're new, welcome. Today I'm gonna be doing this makeup look for you guys right here. It's like a holiday Christmas makeup look. I mean, I would wear it all year round, but you know, the red lips, the glitter on the eyes and everything. My Snapchat memories came out a look that I did on one of my clients a while back, and it was like such a pretty like smoky eye with gold glitter, and I was like, okay, this look is gonna be perfect for my Christmas makeup look, my holiday makeup look. I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but so I wanted to recreate it on myself, and this is what we got. Such a pretty look, and it's super easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so let's get started. I look crazy right now. I have my foundation on. I set my foundation, I did my eyebrows, but I am gonna show you guys like contouring and all that stuff. For my foundation, I used my Maybelline foundation that I use all the time. My eyebrows, I used the Benefit Precisely my brow pencil, which is this one, the silver one. I used the color Blonde, and on top of the brow pencil, I used the brow powder from Anastasia, and I used the color Blonde. So now I'm gonna contour, I'm gonna bronze and contour my face. And to bronze my face, I'm gonna use my NYC Sunny Bronzer. Okay, now I'm gonna contour a little bit, and I'm gonna be using my Hoola bronzer from Benefit. Blush, Milani Luminoso. I'm gonna add a little bit of just with the brush that I use for the contour, like what's left over, to kind of not contour my nose, but you know, do something there. Okay, so now I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit so we can do the eyes. Okay, so the look we're going to be doing, this one, it's a look I did on one of my clients like 2 years ago, and I think this is like a perfect look for Christmas or the holidays or any time of the year. So the palette that I'm gonna be using is the Reveal palette from XOXO because I love it so much. So first I'm gonna add my transition color. I'm gonna be using the color Amazing from the palette, and I'm just gonna add it in my crease. and I'm gonna use the color Night Rush. And I'm gonna add it in the crease, but like the lower crease. So now I'm gonna go in with the gold shadow. This one is from Makeup Geek. It's called Magic Act. I'm gonna add this to the lid. So now I'm gonna add some glitter, and I'm gonna be using my all-time favorite glitter. This is literally my favorite glitter ever. It's the MAC. It's a MAC glitter. It looks like this. And it's called Reflects Gold. And this, I love this glitter so much. Look, I'm almost out. But I have another one. And for the glitter, I'm not gonna use any glitter glue or anything like that. I'm gonna be spraying my brush with some Fix Plus and then adding it to the lid. And now I'm gonna move on to my bottom lash line. I'm not gonna do any liner. I hate doing liner, like really much. I'm gonna be using the same shadows that I used for my top lid for my bottom lid. Bottom lid? No. My bottom lash line. I'm done with the eyes, I just gotta set my face and add some lashes and mascara and do my lips. Set my face, I'm gonna use my Fix Plus from MAC and my Urban Decay All Nighter. Okay, so after I set my face with the Fix Plus, it's when I like to do my highlighter. And today I'm gonna be extra, like super extra, because I'm gonna be using the Becca Champagne Pop. And then on top of that one, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of that highlight to my tear duct. Okay, so now I'm gonna set my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter. So now I'm gonna set my eyebrows with the Benefit Cosmetics 24-hour brow setter. Just this one. I swear, setting your eyebrows with the brow gel makes such a big difference. I'm gonna be using my Benefit mascara, this one right here. Okay, now I'm just gonna wait for my lashes to dry, and I'm gonna be using my Makeup Shack Ivy lashes. Okay guys, so I'm all finished. I went to add my lashes and do my lips off camera because we all know how to apply lashes. And the lips, when I do red lips, it takes me so long to do my lips when I do red lipstick. So I didn't want to be here for an hour showing you guys, but the lipstick that I'm using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Seraphine. It's called Seraphine, and I really like it because it's not like a super bright red. It's more like a darker red, and that's like what I like. So yeah, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe and hit the little bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. And thank you so much for watching.